In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate Odoo with OnlineCheckWriter.com powered by ZillMoney to easily import your bills. First, go to the Apps page and select Odoo. Then, click the Connect button and log in with your credentials. Your Odoo account will be connected. For mapping your bank account with OnlineCheckWriter, you need to link your Odoo bank accounts to OnlineCheckWriter. First, click on the Map Now button, then click the Import Bank Account. Your connected bank accounts will be listed here. Click on the Map Now next to the bank account to map your Odoo bank accounts with your OnlineCheckWriter account. You can add a new bank account by clicking the plus button. Once ready, click the Map Now button to complete the mapping. The same bank account cannot be mapped twice. You can clear or edit the mapping and delete the bank account from the list from here. For importing bills, go to the Bill page, click Import Bills, and choose Odoo. Select the time span and click the Import button. The bills will be visible in the list within seconds. Click the Pay button to make your payment here. The details will automatically appear in the respective fields. Enter any missing information if required. Once everything is completed, click the Print button and choose your preferred paper type from the drop-down. Give your confirmation by clicking the Confirm Payment button. If all details are correct, click this icon to print your checks easily. Click the View Payment button to be redirected to the Payments page. Here, you can see the status has changed to Printed. You can also go to the Bill page to see that the status is marked as paid. To perform additional actions, click the three-dot menu. Click the eye icon to view the details of your bill.